Mame Mao Akwaba and Faumbra Gun and Sem TV GH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Besina me no say they are still pushing, fighting for Dr. Mamubomia. You don't think say they are powerless, they don't have anything. They have more powers, they have more wisdom than Owusu Bempah. Owusu Bempah is scammer. Sofu Owusu Bempah, wanye sofu mamia. Mankasa, ebe mo say abua papu Jimmy for no no. Owusu Bempah okusi usu oso wo sorry. Asa na making. I am begging NPP for them to be careful for not going there again. Once I started agenda bi, ye wahana anu ya. Okodi NDC chicken kwasi someone say na power no otumi na nam so no wo matimi awi na ye obaje samba e man so fokum chacha no ne muai na tudina ekodi se Bawumi ai mahama ye dina kosi so oka kire Ghana phone na say dem mamuchewo obi a obeka mo wa monka kai mo ye ya dwen no ye memory no erane fast ti re fiasem ogina na so dem kan say se mahama eso afra no mienu a obetwa 2 times. Am I lying? Yes. Am I lying? Yes. Okay. Second say onu ne betu su obi a obetni o man Ghana nim na nipa nyamedi ne sakana ka chen say obedi o man so for 2 times. John Dramani Mahama wo bra wo nim say sa die we betime create war because our constitution makwan. But esa ne nkwasi asofodie no ene ne nkwasi nkomhye ene ne ntro ne noma oyenti no obe create tension bi manfo hu se ene opambo ne mienu a no mudi sa nkwasi asem nan se opambo so de won ne aba se ma NDC ni bi ma nanim biem. You know why? Because they are very disappointed because they no mu nim se bia enka omo ba obayan omo no omo sa anka so ye no nam enti omko akwaji kakra no ba habaji kakra omko akwaji kakra no ba habaji kakra enti omo di omo dwene me say I know the trick. I told you the last time, if you call me back door I will show you how to prophesy. That was Psalms. There was one quotation I can use to know what is going on in your life, but I can't solve it. Yes. I say I am a game boy. Meaning trick. I know the trick on the Christianity. That so-called asophono. I know. It was Psalms. The Bible is Psalms. I can show you. But my own that is why me no mukasa me nim de me nesi so. I know say they don't have anything. And I am not afraid of any adiname. Apart from man of Yankopon obo stro basasi. Me down no me misro. Nobody on this earth. We ain't the party say they need pay. Now who me say me humi. Na obeka kire me say, "Who would the Bible way? Bible way. Ela be trick me imagine to convince me." Na yeah say, "One more omuye say be illiterate say dem tie Jimmy for no. And di o ma dwene di o ma ko university. We school about degree, a nim nyansa, a doctor for, a lawyer for, a judges. Na obekono mo tisa kwa share we na ase, Owusu Bempah we na ase. Obekono no mo ti Jimmy for we na ase. Adan ye ko tie nyame asem. Ono so ayi lawyer, judge, ebetimi ready minister, MP, obetimi ready Bible no. Ati ase, but he will go there because he thinks this guy have power. Ni will fi say Nyankopon so obo nipa se ne sunu ne so and he can pray for himself. I mentioned the king of prayers. Where they are free, the king of prayers. Opa obetra half hour 24 years, you will still be the same as it is without this thing. Let me show you. An half hour, and he will become the rich and the most rich and the most rich. Your problem will not solve because you don't know the key. If you know the key of prayers, you will survive within short day, within your own room, without going anywhere. Over that door, spending your time, wasting your time of this kind of fake prophet and fake people who are scamming people. And I am this NBC for a hunintam. Na omo pamu free no oni sa opambo no. This is what I mean Bempah say be ya John Dramani Mahama e be for don time branko be Owusu onwe na onya atumi no na wo se nka wo dan na chintam na ko stand for kwan bi so because John Mahama ni nipa obetimi a stop nkwasefo we wonu de ntia because John Mahama have only one term, and after one term no oni bibia bi ma headache bia ni burden say next election they already there on our way there kananga. And John Mahama have too many powers to stop these people. Charlatan law accorded parliament for almost 20 years. Yentimi nya obi mane pass ensign because of these people. Owusu Bempah kiken someone na enyunu na time kiken kwasiasem. Later was say IGP. Nana go for ma IGP. I will bring ko twin tuo. Any agrada akodim sebe enyamran sem ne nkwasiasem. Na ni wura fi ne ho. Ni wura fi so akodim nkwasiasem. Bema kantin ka wo so yesofo. Na wo de domonim. Na wo timi twituo. Fa ma fa nkrofo di wachi. Ken Jimmy. Entimi amawa bi mu ehun se. We a man of God. And you can use your power and your spiritual prayers to fight against Agrada without going physical. Papa and me who say yes and Agrada there no, and he went there. Jimmy Fo went to me who say Obifia Okoro a threat. Bempah or bad midnight BT no. Ye continue to move ya. Was send a nado and funny to me because on no bomb pie man buy obra. Ni kokro motiye bako. Eni padoma koto abano nanado enya omu na problem no omedi wono achi because ono bom paye ma ankrofo sore ye ekoto oba na dwinya dwumanti, and people believe, and nanado saw it earlier, said this guy is fake. What me at sorry for so many years as your caliber. And now titi omu na osofudiem abesisi asodan obofo no obi nim na ba na ba yi sorry be as your time me ti wudi enyene over 30 years in ministry wontimi nsi asodan prese yemfo man sika na nsi asodan ma wabodam wajimi yamfa sodan your man sika nsi asodan ti NPP become your enemy. And now, who sent me sorry? Ebe scammer, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumi. And the Raphael, Sao Kwasi Abusum for Kwasi Jimmy Samono. Say what the one who buys on any call. It's Jimmy ya na una koi. Later, and I was buying a becan say, Cramoni. And when I see me can't on the Owusu Bempah. The first day I hear this from your mouth, that day I begin to hate you in my heart, and I will never forgive you. I'm telling you. That day now will be one can say you name a cramoni bedi on my gun as well. That day you become my enemy. I'm telling you. Say ye nimni ma kremoni bedi o man Ghana so a wo man no de besi si ene no ma be koso and I'm say white this man I so for mba because no be any me say me kan asem e free that day And I came out boldly, fight against him. And menene koyama efeto me no ni yi 101 obi a oni mi page na egu no o maje no unu so no Owusu Bempah sam o report me yeah Owusu Bempah and me come Mahama sam George no ana maje mi page no any kele Japan yes se me obi afa na out o ma kire me se me tata ana mo ji mi page no wonu tiri mi ko tena okay FM e ko di matam na me ni tena mi di na tem bi dia na say wono ahye no enti o me agi mi page no na essence ye mba boso me nwotwe ene bie sa channel we ni ti no ana masa bie fufuro enti sa report we so no won sa anye uwi a ene na o magina enkosi adekye no na masa bie da obaka se oba report no ya report so mo magi me microphones no me mixers no me computer no ene me phones catch mo so mo nyi nan ka ho eno na betimi stop me apart from that there is nothing I betimi change me owie ye no ana otimi se nya adaje ba bontin akukuduro so sambe kan se NPP enya ma power mo kai na adanya ye to ba wi you was soja e dia to NPP mu so obi akai wono se wa soja e dia to NPP mu enti se yen ya ma ne nchen a me pane chewa eja ne bedesa ana ogia na so dem no phone ho sa ana ojimi sa ni abagine so ka ale yo iko si Owusu Jimmy o Jimmy ya Owusu Jimmy e wa so dem o e pato ejano afedi jana dum Owusu Bempah ejano wadum no ana enu adum shun se mo trust din me say yeah sometimes you to access something in your mind why just relax and think me sing crofo we enemy nyame prayer kin man tire ade bie ni we wi ase ai tim Bempah boy adwuma e kroye 1 2 se oni obi wo problem odi ohu obi ho adwembone obi ho ya wo mu don't go and pray it won't work. That is the key. Before you go on your knees to pray, the only thing you can say, the only thing I will bet me and they say, me I want no problem, no friend me. The only problem, friend, just make peace. And for be once them punish show to the mother. Obi wa dey just forgive. If you reply your request, I friend the pan. Catch and say, ni. Na je wo the fanase one from just settle and go and play. That is the key. Bibi ni ho bi we betime bi kwa ma asa. Bibi ni ho. O partner afa hour 4 hours. Me wa woni me yaka. Me ho adwinboni wo tirim. That place is bogus. Is powerless, is useless. And come here. And when Tuba can say, my Bompire Baba Yamintiu, this is the key. And one, and no being answer. Obi Tawam, just forgive and forget. Obi Yawadia, just forgive and forget. These people, I'm telling you, with my confidence. Me see me no man anti me jina puppet and me preaching for so many years. And I know what I'm saying. Me see me ya P I should carefully one. Obeda. Me tie se me yema say me bet ministry say see ah. You'll be surprised. Say me na me tie. So if I'm telling you something, if you joke, and you think I'm joking, over to you. You can go anywhere. They will scam you. Busa, I say how many years now they Owusu Bempah? Busa, how many years now we did? Why do you bet me a year ma what? It doesn't mean say on one. 10 years. Be now be go through in favor be when you go through. Then that moment, you know, then na crash. Na de okoya no kan na crash na boom. We view. But that favor and that when you home ma but I didn't ask them to share. And you think say on on your God one day we so no ni ho. Kwase ya me kana sem ya me dey to fom bokoyi. Matre wi no. Obeka kire say sa kwase you. Say NPP die ade a waye NPP no enya de e betima ba power bi mu da. Say ya mane na ase a se power pa de na ono se nipa bi aye ne bone enipa bi ekenkwasase ma kire no party num enti se enkofo ni nanti ano no sa ne so wo no wutumi enti ne Sunday enura no muntie de wasan bekan afere o de wasan da ba ne se NPP ye mistake no mo ye ne last time listen to that Sample for week as an answer when you have trend or say NPP ye mistakes no mo the last time on one. Na sa oma nye careful, they will stay opposition forever. What but damn? We Jimmy for pa. Because Owusu Bempah, we are boa papa. Una oba advice here. Munti do kan you. Obi a onra. Or see NPP ba power biem. John Dramani Mahama so afra no ne nsam yenu obeko 2 times. And then osomum yenu bibia say just 9 months. And he came back and say what did you to NPP mu na this year go to nase. Obi an go to nase. So why are you come out and ever be catch me escamate say yan change and no be a no it means you are powerless. Your mistake be you see now he came back for normal senses no e better and say mistakes be near and the man co-opposition. What about NPP leadership? Please listen to me. Imagine about the kind so mistakes be it means he don't have powers. Nemo it mistakes and the man cause our opposition no say it me to two side in year. You see I think so be again ba yet me to two side in year NPP will come back. Meanwhile wono say watena yen yeso ono choose president. Without him nobody can be a president of Ghana. You remember all this kind of useless words that he said it in public. I have all these video, and because of some see video, and then me go to pe. No wechina. This week in Namene nebeko. Me onye beka ba akwa me katen. Anse me jano. Jano me yeno. We are beka ba akwa me ne beko ni say ya nyonyo. E bia they make a wadwe ba so. One single person or say today, say tomorrow. Which is which? And Nadia, Obi also did ya to you. Afraid there was some mistakes be a year, no. See a nyaya. See a idea. MPP big member power. We want access from spirit, you physical. And also when you nipa. Na ni hu say we anyway, a couple will bet my say it psychological no why you should trick no they are frame. Oba saw them no I say no the oil good form no I say no I nkunya no I Jimmy sem no I say my solve monko eto antoa no ha make asem nko ye mu ye se me kan obi amwa no atwa ntro se e be ka be na otwe no me frɛ ya no obi amfiri me. This is the kind of trick Me who ye? One say plane ko te hwe ye pe no ba one thing. I me who ye? Me friend this for penny for obi enfi me. Me wa wo your Mahama number. Who was a major enfi number? You can go there because now your mama special card. You can go there physical anytime you want. Mahama mama cars. Ene. Who ba be catch NPP say ye jade ye na. What the woman go ti no can send be twatuo. Enu ntira me yere ha. Say we ya obekan. Ye ba be ye no ntiampa, me ba be ye won so. Na muntie o. Obi a wo se wa ben. Ah me tie me ye powerless. Na me ni to me bia. Na ono no so nyame wo sra wo no so. Na wo so wa ben. E wo ade. O say de obaye na ontimi use that powers no to destroy your life, to charm you anymore. Nemo, he will come physical, and he and his boys will come physical and insult you back. So now it's between me and your boys. Me mobi bia we come. Make me ane wonuma kenkwasem bia mpatwe a kire